In the realm of natural remedies, turmeric and olive oil stand out as dynamic duo, possessing a range of health benefits that extend beyond their culinary uses. Individually renowned for their unique properties, the combination of turmeric and olive oil creates a potent synergy that few are aware of. And we delve into the extraordinary health potentials of turmeric and olive oil when combined, exploring their individual virtues and the remarkable synergy they unleash. 1. Turmeric, the golden healer. Turmeric, often referred to as the golden spice, has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. Its active compound, curcumin, is the powerhouse behind its therapeutic properties. Renowned for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer properties, turmeric has emerged as a holistic remedy for various health issues. 2. Olive oil, liquid gold for heart health. Olive oil, a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, has earned the moniker liquid gold for its exceptional health benefits. Rich in monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds, olive oil is celebrated for promoting heart health, reducing inflammation, and supporting overall well-being. The combination of extra virgin olive oil, in particular, amplifies these benefits. 3. Synergy unleashed, combining turmeric and olive oil. When turmeric and olive oil join forces, they create a synergy that enhances the bioavailability of curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric. Curcumin is notoriously known for its low absorption rate in the bloodstream. However, combining it with healthy fats, such as those found in olive oil, significantly improves its absorption. The healthy fats in olive oil aid in the dissolution of curcumin in the stomach, facilitating its absorption into the bloodstream and enhancing its therapeutic effects. This combination takes advantage of the lipophilic nature of curcumin, making it more readily available for the body to harness its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. 4. Anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Inflammation is a common denominator in various chronic diseases, ranging from arthritis to cardiovascular conditions. The combined power of turmeric and olive oil makes for a formidable anti-inflammatory agent. Curcumin's ability to modulate inflammatory pathways is complemented by the anti-inflammatory compounds present in olive oil. This synergistic action addresses inflammation on multiple fronts, potentially providing relief for individuals with inflammatory conditions. 5. Cardiovascular health boost. The heart-healthy benefits of olive oil are well documented, and when coupled with turmeric, this combination becomes a potent ally for cardiovascular well-being. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, contributing to a healthier cardiovascular system. Additionally, the duo may support the management of risk factors associated with heart diseases, such as high blood pressure and cholesterol levels. 6. Joint and arthritis support. For those grappling with joint issues or arthritis, the combination of turmeric and olive oil offers a natural approach to managing symptoms. The anti-inflammatory effects target the root cause of joint pain and swelling, potentially providing relief without the side effects associated with certain medications. Regular incorporation of this dynamic duo into the diet may contribute to improved joint health and mobility. 7. Cognitive well-being. The powerful compounds in turmeric, including curcumin, have shown promise in supporting cognitive function and potentially mitigating neurodegenerative conditions. The combination with olive oil, with its neuroprotective properties, creates a synergy that may contribute to cognitive well-being. While more research is needed, the preliminary findings suggest a role for this duo in promoting brain health. 8. How to incorporate turmeric and olive oil. Incorporating turmeric and olive oil into the diet can be a flavorful and healthful experience. Consider creating a golden paste by mixing turmeric powder with extra virgin olive oil and a pinch of black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that further enhances the absorption of curcumin. This paste can be added to various dishes, soups, or consumed with warm milk for a soothing beverage. Turmeric and olive oil, individually celebrated for their health benefits, form a potent alliance that harnesses their full potential. The synergy created by combining these two natural powerhouses enhances the absorption and efficacy of curcumin, unlocking a myriad of health benefits, from combating inflammation to supporting cardiovascular health, joint function, and potentially promoting cognitive well-being. The dynamic duo of turmeric and olive oil stands as a testament to the remarkable synergy found in nature. As we continue to unveil the hidden potentials of holistic approaches to health, embracing the combination of turmeric and olive oil offers a flavorful and nourishing path towards overall well-being. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. See you in the next video.